So, what are some of the best ways to make money online so that way you can increase your income and increase your cash flow? We're going to discuss that in today's training. Hey everyone, it's Mike Adams, and on this channel we empower individuals to achieve freedom through improved financial literacy and business ownership, tips and tricks and hacks, all that good stuff, training. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click subscribe, click the bell, so that way you get notified on any and all of our future training and content. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be discussing some of the best ways, to make money online, and these are things that you can do part-time or really in your spare time or part-time from home. So that way you keep your job. These are things that I don't want to use the term side hustle, right? When I say side hustle, a lot of people think they're driving Lyft or they're driving Uber, but there's different businesses that you can do on the side, really in just a couple of hours a week, and start generating a nice side income that could turn into a nice side passive income, to again give you that additional stream of income into your life and into your business. And again, if you're someone that's new to business, any of these additional streams here or ways to make money online will of course give you a business. And once you have a business, it opens up the door for so many additional tax deductions and things that you could just do, different ways that you can shield your earnings from taxation. And so if you have your small part-time business and then you're working your W-2 all year long, all those taxes that you're paying all year long, if you have a small business, okay, even if you don't make a ton of money, you'll be able to generate enough deductions to offset some of your taxes over here. So again, having a small business is really, really cool. And again, if it's something you could start very inexpensively, spare time, part-time, okay, it's something that we really like, and it's something I encourage all of you to consider doing. So in this video, guys, I wanted to really just point you guys in a direction and some of the best ways that you can make money online. And some of these starting right away. So the first way that you can start making money online is as a freelancer, okay? And to be a freelancer, it does take, you must have a particular set of skills, okay? And hopefully you're not a trained killer like Liam Nielsen, but you need to have a skill, right? You need to have a skill that, or a service that you provide at a very, very high level that you can offer to somebody else in exchange for money, okay? And there's a couple of great websites where if you do have a skill, okay, let's say you're someone that's really good at writing copy, okay? So maybe you're someone that can write copy or write blog posts, okay? There are websites and there are people out there that need people to be a ghostwriter or need someone that can do blog posts on their channel or on their blog for them. So there's websites like Fiverr.com. Okay, websites like Upwork, okay, where you can set up your profile and everything, let everyone know that you're a writer, you create blog articles and blog posts, and you can set up a little profile there, and from there, people can order your gig or order your job, and you can make money as a freelancer, again, utilizing your skill set. So don't jump on there and just make a profile on Upwork saying that you can do all this and that if you don't actually know how to do it, because there are rating systems on there. And you want to make sure that if you're going to take on a job for somebody that you're able to do a really, really, really good job. So if you have a great skill, you could use it as a freelancer to make a little bit of money online part-time from home. The second way to make money online would be to do an e-commerce store or to do drop shipping. Okay, I'm going to kind of put those together. And so what an e-commerce store is maybe you've heard of Shopify. And what that is where you are literally selling, you are for one, you are sourcing certain products. Okay, so this is where you need to be ahead of some of these trends. One of the trends I think of in particular whenever I think about e-commerce is I think about those dang spinners. You guys remember those fidget spinners? My kids loved them, and as a matter of fact, I liked them. And this is about a year and a half ago now. But everybody was spinning these things, and I remember my wife went on Amazon and bought like a big pack of like 10 of them, on Amazon, and I was thinking, wow. These things are so inexpensive. Somebody probably sourced these overseas to get them in bulk and is now selling them for 5 to 10 times the amount right here on Amazon, and we're paying it. That is drop shipping. That is e-commerce, is sourcing products that you can buy somewhere else at a cheaper price and then sell on a different marketplace at a more expensive price, okay? And that spread or that arbitrage in the middle there, that's the money that you make. So if you can buy a fidget spinner, okay, for $1 from overseas and then sell it on Amazon for $5, okay, minus any Amazon fees, you would make, that $4, minus any Amazon fees, right? So you make that spread. The third way to make money online is doing affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, very similar to the e-commerce and drop shipping world, where you're not creating your own product from scratch or creating a course or doing anything. You are simply, you don't have to go out there and necessarily source a product either. Okay, nor do you have to bring a product and market it on Amazon or market it on eBay and try to sell it, or market it on a rummage sale, a website like Craigslist, and try to sell it. Okay, with affiliate marketing, all you are doing is simply referring people. So people are online searching for help. They're searching for tools for their business. They're searching for software programs. They're searching for email solutions, right? And all you're doing as an affiliate marketer is finding those people that have a problem and then putting a product in front of them that solves their problem, okay? And from there, when they buy that product or get involved with that service, okay, they buy it, you earn an affiliate commission. Simply put, as an affiliate, you are referring somebody to somebody else's product, and then you get a percentage of that purchase price as a commission. And typically with the affiliate programs that I work with, they usually range anywhere from 30 to 70% commissions. So if you refer somebody to a product that's $100, you're typically going to earn anywhere from 30 to 70%. So $30 to $70 off of that. Okay, so it's a great way, again, to make money. And with affiliate marketing, that's something that you could start very, very inexpensively. And the fourth way to make money online is as a content creator. So one of the cool things and one of the reasons that I really enjoy this YouTube channel is, number one, it is a way to make money. So again, if you're somebody that loves to provide value, maybe you're someone that likes to teach people stuff, whether it's and what's really cool about being a content creator is that there are billions of people online. And even though, I'm a bit of a space nerd, I'm a Star Trek guy, and the bottom line is sometimes as nerds, we can feel like we're all alone, right? But when you're talking about the internet, you're talking about billions of people. So even though you might be into, I'm just going to say, underwater basket weaving, right? There's plenty of other people in the world that are into underwater basket weaving. So the cool thing about being a content creator is you can create content around the things that you're actually passionate about. So if you have a passion for underwater basket weaving, you can create a YouTube channel about that. You can create a blog about that, okay? And you can write about that. And again, you can generate ad revenue from your blog or from your YouTube channel. And again, you could do a combination, do a little bit of affiliate marketing. You could even do a little bit of drop shipping in conjunction with being a content creator to really make money online and create multiple streams of income. So there you go, guys. Those are the 4 best ways to make money online. If you found value in this training, guys, make sure to give this video a like, give it a comment below. And if there's other ways to make money online, I know there's tons of ways to make money online. If you have a favorite of your own, make sure to put that in the comments below as well. I will see you guys in the next video.